Anna Edify welcomes you. Exam day tips. Following are some points to keep in mind on the day of examination. Reach the examination hall at least 30 minutes before the reporting time. Do not talk to friends about anything related to the subject, it may lead to confusion. The first 15 minutes will be given to read the question paper. Utilize this time wisely. Check which questions are easy to solve and attempt them first. Use only blue or black ink pen. Maintain your speed of answer writing. Do not get stuck at any particular question. If you don't know the answer, pass it for the moment and check it again once you are done with all other answers. Focus on how you are presenting an answer. Write in points, draw diagrams wherever necessary, and do not make your answer lengthy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.